Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Yolanda Hayes. I am a local real estate agent here in the Winston-Salem, North Carolina area. How are you guys doing today? We are snowed in, so I decided to jump on YouTube just to give you a little bit of information while I had some time. So I learned about a new program that my client was able to get in. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a story that just happened. There is a program by, there's no name. It's a specific bank that is offering this particular program, and it's $20,000. Now, I was not really aware of this program. I heard about it. I've heard little tidbits about it, but I had never heard of the bank. I had never heard of the program. So I really didn't dig into it to see if it was true, but it's true. So my client just went under contract. She is actually getting a brand new house built with new construction that ended up totaling $30,000. And I'm gonna share how she was able to get $30,000 in buyer incentives. So in looking in my analytics on my YouTube channel, I have, let's see, the most watched videos are my NACA videos or NACA alternative videos. So that tells me that a lot of people are looking for money or looking for down payment assistance. So I wanted to share this particular, this particular program, and these are going to be for my clients. You do want to hire me if you are interested in, learning more about these different programs that are out there. I posted this information on my TikTok, and a lot of people were just like, who's the builder? Who's the loan officer? Who's this? Who's that? Just wanted the information. But that's not what I'm about, y'all. I provide value and people hire me because I provide value and information. But it's not just about how do I get the money? Who's the builder? Who's this? Who's that? I am a real estate agent that provides value, not just a bunch of information on how to get money. I would love for anyone who wants to work with me and learn about these different programs to come in and sit down and have a home buyer consultation with me. I don't just give out how to get money or what builder to go to. I want you to know the entire process from beginning to end, upfront costs, home inspections, what contracts we're going to be signing. These are things that you want to know before just jumping into where can I get the money. Everyone is focused on getting the money and getting the money and getting the money, but you really need to be focused on savings and your credit score. This particular program will require you to have a 620 credit score. There is no income limit. And I am reading everything off of my notes from speaking with this loan officer. They give you $20,000 in incentives. It's not where you can take the entire $20,000 and put it towards your down payment. What they are doing is breaking up that $20,000. $10,500 will go to your down payment, but the remaining amount of the $20,000, which is $9,500, will go towards closing costs. That is why it's not called a down payment assistance program. It's just called a home buyer incentive program. Now, my client was able to join this particular program and got the $20,000, but she also then went with a new construction. You are able to stack these two incentives. You can use the incentive from the bank and use the incentive from the actual home builder. So this home builder that she went with was also offering an additional $10,000 in home buyer assistance, totaling $30,000. What I loved about this particular $20,000 program is that, number one, there's no PMI. If you're familiar with PMI, it is private mortgage insurance. This is to protect the bank in case you default. And that is an extra like $150 to almost $200 extra a month on your mortgage payment to protect the bank. Well, you get to save that. So this particular program has no PMI. It's also forgiven after 3 years. Typically, I've had several videos here on YouTube letting you guys know that most of these down payment assistance programs require you to remain in your home and not be able to sell your home for almost 15 years. That is not forgiven until 15 years. This one is forgiven in 3. You can also purchase a home up to $830,000. So if you're someone that is looking at a $600,000 house, you may also qualify for this. That is not normal. This is not normal at all. I honestly thought that this program was not true, but it is, and my client is under contract right now. Now, in speaking with this loan officer earlier in the week, I was informed that this program was going on in 2025. However, 2026 may be the last year that they are offering this particular program. So if you are thinking about purchasing a home in 2026 and you are, looking in the Winston-Salem, North Carolina area, please make sure you reach out to me. I am here to provide you with all the information, but you do want to make sure that you schedule an appointment with me so that we can have a one-on-one home buyer consultation. This particular program is also location based. So not every single home in Winston-Salem is going to qualify for this program. So I have been given a link and I can plug in the address to see if the home that you're interested in qualifies for the $20,000. And again, new construction also qualifies for it. So now, one thing about this is that you have to use this particular bank, right? Some builders have their own in-house bank, and they require you to use them in order to get the incentives. So that's something that you have to be mindful of, that you can still get the $20,000, but you may not get the full benefits from new construction if they are also providing you with a cash incentive. In order for you to use, you have to use their bank in order for you to get their money. But the $20,000 is still available if that new construction community is within the area that this program is for. Now, I will be having a home buyer class with True Homes coming up. So, just from all my videos, I am a True Home partner, and I always love selling their homes. I think that they, being a semi-custom home builder, provide great quality for their homes. And I will be hosting an event with them on, March the 8th. So March the 8th at 11 a.m. we will be meeting at their River Rock community. I'm going to be putting all the information in the Eventbrite link down below. They are one of the builders that you can pair this loan officer with. So if you are interested in coming out and meeting with me and my partner, my true advisor, Nadia, we are going to be there again on March 8th at 11 a.m. Come on out. We are going to have a loan officer there that is going to be doing applications on site. So mark your calendar. If you would like to speak with me prior to March 11th and you just want to give me a call or an email, I'm going to leave all of my contact information down below in the description box. But I wanted to again get on YouTube today just to share this program, the information that I have. If you are interested in becoming a homeowner in the Winston-Salem or even Charlotte has it as well. Greensboro, they have it in Greensboro as well, but it's not as much. Greensboro, I believe, was only $10,000, not the full 20, it was $10,000. And again, it is all location based. So the address has to be listed as being a part of this program. So again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.